Congratulations to all from the Review A to Z YouTube channel. I hope everyone well and healthy today. I am going to show you all short pants. The trains, which are very popular and used by people nowadays also have a lot of acceptance from users all at the same time. Its price is very affordable compared to other companies. Men's running shorts, quick drying fitness black double layer shorts men. New sport workout training bodybuilding short pants. New sport workout training bodybuilding short pants. High concerned chemical, none. Department name, men. Fit, true to size. Model number running shorts. Pattern type, solid. Gender, men. Material, polyester. Origin, mainland China. Material, polyester. Origin, mainland China. CN, Zhejiang. Item type shorts. Sport type, running. Men's quick drying double layer running shorts, black. Level up your workout with these men's quick drying fitness shorts, designed for performance, comfort, and style. Whether you're hitting the track, training at the gym, or powering through a bodybuilding session, these double layer sport shorts are built to move with you. Double layer design. Inner compression liner offers support, reduces chafing, and enhances mobility, while the outer layer provides a stylish and relaxed fit. Quick drying fabric. Lightweight, breathable materials wick away sweat and dry fast, keeping you cool and comfortable during intense workouts. Secure storage. Equipped with convenient pockets, including a hidden zip pocket, perfect for holding keys, phone, or small essentials. Versatile style. Sleek black color pairs easily with any athletic gear, ideal for running, gym sessions, training, or casual wear. Running, gym workouts, fitness training, bodybuilding, CrossFit, or everyday athletics.